You're welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today's topic, past paper questions on polynomials, solving polynomials. These questions are very important and are very good questions, very common in exams, in additional math exams and IBDP exams. So this is question 1. Okay, let us start. Are you ready, guys? Now, the expression x power 3 plus px squared minus 6x plus q is exactly divisible by x plus 1 and x plus 4. X plus 4. What does that mean? It means if I get this polynomial and I divide by that, the remainder will be 0. That's what it means. Okay? And then x plus 4, if you divide it by this, you also get a remainder of 0. Now, find and solve two simultaneous questions to find the value of P and Q. Let us start the question now. Now, I hope you know what we call remainder theorem. So if you know remainder theorem, this question is going to be very easy. Okay? Now, what does that mean? It means I have to start by x plus 1 equals 2, x plus 1 equals to 1. I mean 0, my bad, sorry. So therefore, x is equal to negative 1. It means if I get this value of x and I put it here, because this is indivisible, I should get equal to 0. This should give me 0. That's what basically means. So that means I'm going to say negative 1 power 3. Look at that. I'm substituting here, guys. Okay, plus p bracket negative 1 squared. I would go there, guys. Minus 6 bracket negative 1 plus q. Because they said it's divisible by, it's exactly divisible. This one, the remainder should be equal to 0, based on the remainder theorem. Now, what's in negative 1 power 3? It's going to give me 1, right? I mean negative 1. I would gather here. Very good. Now, what's in negative 1 squared? That's positive 1. So that means it will give me plus p. I would gather here. Now, what about here? This will give me plus 6, right? Then plus q equals to 0, okay? Now, first step done, we need to organize our steps to do some things, and then we form a very good simultaneous question. So this is P, I'm correcting like terms, P plus Q, everything without unknowns, I'm taking it. This is minus 1. When it crosses equal sign will be plus 1, this will be negative 1. So it's 1 minus 6 altogether here. So this gives me P plus Q. This gives me negative 5, okay? Now, very good. Now, this is going to be my first simultaneous question, okay? Very good. I hope you have understood. What did I do? Because they said it's exactly divisible by x plus 1, you just get this one and equate it to 1 and it gives you negative 1. Substitute in a polynomial given and then equate it to 1 because it's exactly divisible. Okay, now, fast forward. Let us do the next one now. So, what was it? That's x plus c. X plus c, 4. So x plus 4 equal to 0. That means the root of that function, I mean of this one will be negative 4. Substitute in my equation. Okay, when I substitute there, that means I'll get the negative 4 power 3. Okay, I'm substituting in this question, guys. Okay, plus p x minus 4 squared. I would gather, guys. Very good. Minus 6, okay, bracket minus 4, okay, then plus q, then this should give me 0 because they said it's exactly divisible. Okay, now let me double check what I've done if it's correct. You see, x power 3, that means it will be negative 4 power 3, p bracket power minus 4 squared, 6 minus 4. Okay, it should be correct. Good. Now, what is this? If I do that one, will give me minus 64, because I'm doing minus 4 power 3. Minus 4 times minus 4 gives you 16. 16 times minus 4 gives me minus 64. So minus 4 squared, that's 16. So gives me 16p. Okay, very good. Now, what about here? This will give me plus 24. Okay, good. By the way, you can pause the video and do the question, and then you come and finish watching the video. Okay, now at this step, this is 16p and this is q, so I can write them here. Okay, 16p plus q. Then this one goes on the other side. and 24 goes on the other side. So it will be 64 minus 24. Altogether, guys, very good. I hope you have understood. I've taken everything without P and Q on the other side of equal sign, okay? Which gives me 16P plus Q equals to 64 minus C, 24, not 240. Very good. Now, what do I get? I'll get 16P plus Q equals to 40. This is my second simultaneous equation, okay? This is the second equation. Very good. Now, fast forward. What are my two equations now? My two equations, I have P plus Q. I hope you understand, okay? If you have any question, let me know. P plus Q equals to negative 5. And then the second question was 16P plus Q equals to 40, okay? Now, if this is what we have, we are solving simultaneous questions. So this is Q and this is Q. So the easy way, just subtract the two equations and then you eliminate Q, okay? This gives me negative 15P, okay? Negative 15 P then equals to, this minus that gives me negative 45. Altogether, guys, I hope you understand. Because I'm subtracting first equation minus the second. So divide by minus 15 both sides. So P will be equal to minus 45 over minus 15. So P is equal to 3. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, just write in the comments, then I will explain again, okay? I'll get back to you. I enjoy teaching mathematics any day, anytime. Now, after getting the value of P, substitute in any of the equations. You can substitute in the first equation or second, but from what I'm seeing, substituting in the first equation is easy. And the first equation is P plus Q, so P is 3. So I'll do P plus Q equals to minus 5. Then what do I get here? I'm going to have correct like terms. Q will be equal to minus 5, then minus 3, because when a number crosses equal sign, the sign changes. So I'm going to have minus 8. Okay, I hope you have understood that. Okay, very good question. Very common in IBDP Mathematics, also in A levels and even additional math. But the one I'm doing now are past paper questions over additional math. Okay, good. I hope you have understood the first question. Okay, should we try the next question? Question 2. Now, the equation fx is given by that, has 3 integers. Solve fx equals to that. Very good question. So when I was compiling these questions, I tried to get possible questions of different cases. So I finished the first case where they give you, where you need to form simultaneous questions, and when they have given you the factors or the roots of your polynomial. This time around, they have given you a function, they have not given you the roots, so you need to find the roots, and then you'll be able to solve the equation. Okay, now, the trick to do the question, what's this number? That's 24. So you need to use the factors of 24, and you see which one will give you a remainder of 0. That's what you have to do. Okay. You can try 1, you can try 2, you can try 3. But because I've tried the question before, so it's going to be negative 2. Okay. You try 1, if 1 doesn't work, you try negative 1. If it doesn't work, go to 2 and negative 2, 3, negative 3, 4 and negative 4. 6, negative 6 and negative 6, 8 and negative 8, then 12 and negative 12, 24 and 1. But from experience, most of the time is from 1 to 4, you're going to get the number that will substitute there and gives you a remainder of 0. So now, can I put there negative 2 and see if we exactly see, it gives me a remainder of 0. So it's going to be negative 2 power 3 plus 3 bracket negative 2 squared altogether minus 10 bracket negative 2 minus 24. This should give me 0 if what I've chosen, because I'm saying x equals negative 1, I mean negative 2. So if it is to be divisible, if I can divide x plus 2 to give me remainder 0. If I substitute that, this will give me 0. So let us try and see. This is negative 8, okay? You can use your calculator, but I'm just showing the working. Plus negative 2 squared, that's 4. That's plus C, 12, okay? Good. What about this one? This is plus C, 20, because it's negative 2 times Z minus 10. So minus 24. Is this giving me 0? What is this guy? 32. And then this gives me. So it is negative 32 plus 32. This gives me 0. It means x plus 2 is a factor. Okay? Now, when you reach here, you can do wrong division. Or tentative division. I'm going to do tentative division. So pay attention now. I got x equals that. I will start by writing the factors of this. 1, here the coefficient is 1, here it is 3, negative 10, and negative. So that's what I'm going to do here. It is 1, 3, negative 10, and then negative 24. I'm going to divide by what? I'm dividing by minus 2, because that's the one I substituted there and gave me a remainder of remainder 0. Okay? Now, when you are, this is tentative division. Let me repeat one more time. Maybe it's your first time seeing tentative division. You write the coefficients of this, of your polynomial. Here it's 1, 3, negative 10, and 24. Those are the numbers you are seeing here. These are the numbers, okay? So now, bring 1 down. I write 1 here. Times negative 2 gives me negative 2 here. Then you add. When I add 1, I'm going to get 3 plus negative 2 will give me positive that. Positive 1. Negative 2 times that gives me negative 2. Add negative 10 plus negative 2 will give me negative 12. So then times will give me 24. I've got negative 12 times negative 2. So when I add negative 24 plus 24 will give me 0. You see, the remainder is 0. Now, what polynomial did I have? I had a polynomial of power 3. So if I've done power 3 and I've divided, I'm going to remain with square. What am I going to remain with? I'm going to have, remember this was x, it's x minus 2. So when I bring it inside, it will be x plus 2, okay? Bracket. This is x squared, okay? Plus x minus 12. Do you see what I've done? It was x power 3. That was my polynomial. It was x power 3. If I divide x power 3, I will remain with z squared. And then this is x squared. This is, it will give me x. And this will be no x. I hope you have understood that. Okay, they told me, by the way, to solve. So this one will be equal to 0. Now, the next step, I need to factorize this. To factorize that, I need to do product and sum. Two numbers you multiply to get negative 12. And when you add them, you get positive 1. So what are the two numbers? You multiply to get negative 12. And when you add them, you get positive 1. That's 4 and negative 3. And the coefficient of x squared is 1. So this becomes primary work. So it will be x plus 2 bracket. I'm copying down these guys. Then what about this? Okay, I hope you understand. This one, because I've got the two numbers, so it will be x plus 4 bracket x minus 3. Altogether, guys, equal to 0. I hope you understand that. Okay. Now, when you reach here, you are multiplying 3 polynomials, and when you multiply them, you got 0. So if you're multiplying numbers and you get 0, that means one of them is equal to 0. So what do I do now? It's x plus 2 equal to 0. I hope you understand that. And x plus 4 equal to 0. Or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Are we together here? Very good. Now, so if you understand, the first value of x, or the first root of my function, is going to be negative 2, as the way I got it here. Still this one, right? What about here? The second value of x, or the second root of my polynomial, will be negative 4. And x minus 3, this one will be, the third value of x will be equal to positive 3. Okay, now, maybe if I can do wrong division very fast for you, okay? Guys, are you ready? Let me try to do wrong division here. if you have to divide with wrong division. So I already got x equals -2 gave me 0. So that means I'm going to divide by x plus 2. Okay. Now, what was my polynomial here? Was x power 3 plus 3x squared minus 10x altogether. Okay. Then minus 24. Okay. Now, when you are dividing, what do? You get the first one here divided by this. X power 3 divided by x, it will give me x squared. Okay. Very good. Now, this one has to multiply everything here. Will give me x power 3, because I'm doing x squared times x, then times 2 will be plus 2x squared. Can I subtract? Because when you're dividing, you subtract. What do I remain with? I'm going to remain with the x power 3. I mean x squared. Because x power 3 minus x power 3 gives you 0. Then 3x squared minus 2x squared gives me x squared. Bring down this. Okay? So give me minus 10x. Again, get the first one, divide by the first. X squared divided by x will give me plus x. Okay? I hope you understand that. Then it gives me x squared when I'm multiplying. This one times that. Then x times 2 will give me plus 2x. Subtract. This is 0. This is minus 12x. Then bring down the one that is remaining, okay? 24. And then this one, negative 12x divided by x will give me minus 12. Okay, when I multiply here, I'll get minus 12x minus 24. Then subtract. When I subtract, what do I get? This is minus 12x minus minus, that is 0. And this is minus 24 minus minus will be 0. You see, the remainder is 0. So when you reach here now, it will be x plus 2 bracket x squared plus x minus 12 equal to 0. So this is the step here. You see, it's exactly the same step. Exactly the same as this step, you see. So no need of continuing because I did exactly the same here. I hope you have understood the both methods. Whenever you are solving polynomials and you are dividing them, we can go with the syntactic division or you can go with wrong division. The first here, I did the syntactic division, and here I've done also wrong division. I hope you have understood. Okay, next question. You can pause the video and do the question, and then you check your answer later. But I'm going to continue. Let us enjoy this mathematics. Guys, math is very interesting. I enjoy teaching mathematics. X power 3 plus x squared plus bx plus 2 is divisible by, when it's divided by x minus 2, the remainder, this time, the remainder is not 0. The remainder is 36, okay? For first question, first four, let me go back. For first question, they said it was exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means when you divide by that, the remainder will be 0. But for next question, for question 3 here, they are saying whenever you divide it, the remainder will be 36, okay? Now, when it is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is the minus 4, okay? Exactly the same method. They told me to find the value of a. Still, I have to form two simultaneous questions. I solve my questions, and then I do the question, okay? Now, I'm dividing by that. That means it's x minus 2 equal to 0. So my value of x will be equal to 2. Then I'm going to substitute these 2 in this polynomial here. So it will be 2 power 3 plus a bracket 2 squared plus b bracket 2 altogether here plus c 2 altogether at this point, guys. I hope you understand. Okay, very good. Now, what do I get now? This one should be equal to the remainder. The remainder they told me is 36. This is 2, guys. Okay, very good. Now, what is 2 power? That is 2 power 3 is the 8 plus 2 squared is what, guys? 2 squared is the 4. This is q here. No, this was the a. Okay, so it will give me 4a. Okay, plus 2b plus c 2 equals to 36. Is that okay? You can check if what I've done is correct. Okay. Now the next step here, I need to correct it like terms. So this is the 4a plus 2b. I'm correcting like terms and I take them on the other side of equal sign. 36 minus 8, then minus 2. Okay? So what am I going to get? I'm going to get 4a plus 2b equals to, this is the 36 minus 80, that is the 28 minus 2, that is 26. Past simultaneous question, okay? Now, I've used the x minus 2, which was giving a remainder of that. This time around, I have to use this. So that is x plus 3 equal to 0, guys. And the x value is going to be -1, okay? Now, substituting my equation, what was it? My equation was the x power 3 ax squared plus bx plus 2. So if I substitute there, I'm going to have -3 square, power 3 plus a -3 squared altogether, guys. Good. Plus 2b, okay? And then plus 2. Here, the remainder should be equal to what? The remainder is minus 4. Okay. Now, can I simplify my stuff? Minus 3 power 3 gives me 27, minus 27 plus 9a. Okay, is that okay, guys? 9a plus 2b. Okay, I hope we are together. Then plus, this is 2. I don't know why I'm writing 2 this way. This is 2, guys. Okay, plus 2, then equals to minus 4. Okay, you can check what I've done. Is that okay, guys? This is minus 27, and this is 9a. This is 2b, then plus 2 equals to minus 4. The next step is correcting like terms. Here, what am I going to get? I'll get 9a plus 2b. Everything without a and b, I'm taking it on the other side of equal sign, minus 4. Then this one goes on the other side, will be minus 2. And this one will be plus 27 because it's minus. And whenever a number crosses equal sign, the sign changes. Okay, very good. 9a plus 9. Oh, sorry. 9a. This is supposed to be b. This one. This is 2b. Okay. Plus 2b equals to what am I going to get? This is minus 6, so it will give me positive 21. This is my second simultaneous equation. Now, the next step is to solve my two simultaneous equations. Let me write this one first. Plus 9a plus 2b equals to 21. That is the second equation I got. What was the first equation, guys? The first equation was the 4a plus 2b equals to 26. Okay, you can check what I've done if it's okay. Okay, those are my two equations. Okay, let me double check somewhere. Oh, there is a mistake made here. This was negative. No, this was positive 2. Okay, that's okay. 4a plus. Okay, that's okay. Here for second equation. Okay, 2a. This is the somewhere here, guys. Okay. Hold on. This is the. This was b. Okay. This was supposed to be. This one, guys, is going to be. It is b bracket -3. Okay. And this one will be -3. Okay. And this one will be -3b. Is that okay? Sorry for the mistake made. Okay. So here the rest I can erase them a bit so that you're not confused. This is the, let me write it here very fast. Okay, this is the minus 3b. Okay, altogether here. So now here, this will be minus 3b. Okay, now how do I solve my two equations here? So I have 9a minus 3b equals to 21. And from here, by the way, okay, I would have simplified the numbers, but let me eliminate here. So should I eliminate B, guys? When I eliminate B, I'll multiply 2 here, and then here I'll multiply minus 3. What do I get? Now, it will give me 18A minus 6B equals to 42. What about here? This will give me minus 12A minus 6B. Okay, minus 6B. Then what is 24? I mean 26 times Z. 26 times what's 26 times minus 3? So it's going to give me 26 times Z minus 3. It will give me minus 78. Okay, I multiply by negative there. So it will give me negative 78. Okay, now can I subtract two equations? So because I'm eliminating B and they have opposite signs, I have to subtract. So when I subtract, what do I get? This will be 30A. Now, what about this one will cancel out? What about here? It's going to give me, if you add, so it's going to give you, that is the 120, guys, I guess. Let me confirm one more time here. It's 42. Yes, it's 120. Very good. So 120 divide by 30, divide by 30 both sides. So if I divide by 30 both sides, what's the value of A? The value of A is going to be, I can do it here, because I need to go up because I haven't finished the question. Okay, let me just come here very fast. Okay, so A is going to be 4. Okay, you understand? The value of A is 4. Then substitute in one of the equations. I can substitute in the second one. So which is my first equation, guys? What was it? It was here. Let me use this one. This is A. Okay, it's going to give me 4 bracket 4. Okay, plus 2B equals to 26. Okay, now what do I get here? I'll get 16 plus 2B equals to 26. Now 2B will be equal to what? 26 minus 16, right? I would gather here. So 2B is equal to 10, right? B is equal to 10. So divide by 2 both sides. So B is equal to 5. Okay. Now, very interesting question here, guys. So that's question A. Question B, we have got the value of A. So, and B. So what is my polynomial this time around? It's going to be x power 3 plus, what was the value of A, guys? Was 4. So it gives me 4x squared. X squared plus B. What's our value of B? We got 5. So it's 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now we need to solve here. Now, as I told you in one of the questions, if you have such a question and you're solving and it's a polynomial, it's power 3, you need to get the factors of 2. So the factors of 2, it is 1 and 2. So we have to use, we have to try negative 1, 1, 2, and negative 2, and see which one gives us 0. Now, negative 1 will give you 0. Let us try that and see. So it's negative 1 power 3. Okay. 4 plus 4 negative 1 squared altogether plus 5b. I mean 5, which is your b value, negative 1 plus 2. Okay, does this give me 0? This is squared here, guys. Okay, so this is negative 1 plus 4 minus 5 then plus 2. So this is, if you check, this one gives you 0, right? Because this is the negative 6 plus 6, that's 0. Okay, now I'm going to do wrong division, I mean synthetic division right now. So what were my rule? My coefficient is 1, 4, 5, 2. 1, 4, 5, 2. Let me confirm one more time. 1, 4, 5, 2. 1, 4, 5. Okay. And I go to negative 1 and I go to -1. That's the one I'm dividing with. What do we do, guys? When I divide by -1 and we are dividing using the third division, bring 1 down here. Then -1 times 1 gives me -1. When I add, I'm going to get +3. When I multiply, I'll get to -3. When I add this time around, it gives me +2. When I multiply, I'll get to -2. Then here gives me 0. Okay, I hope you have understood that. Okay, now, so what do I have? I have x minus 1. I'm talking about this. What's this? Then you use this one. It's x power 3 plus x squared. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, a minute. Okay, it's going to give me x squared plus 3x plus 2. Did they tell me to factorize or solve? They said solve. So that means it's equal to 0. Okay, now you need to find two numbers you multiply to get +2, and when you add them, you get 3. So that means it's very easy. Okay, it's going to give me two numbers I can multiply to get +2 and add them and get 3. That is the x plus. It's 2, right? When I factorize that. Okay, bracket x plus 1, that is equal to 0. And each of them should be equal to 0. So the first value of x here is +1. Second value of x is going to be -2. This is -1 as well. So it has what we call repeated root. So that is your polynomial. They are very important even when you are sketching the graph. You should be knowing what is how to do that. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. EK Math, we love mathematics. Like, share, comment. If you stay here, I'm trying to do more past paper questions. Today I did the past paper questions on the polynomials. I'm planning to do more topics of additional math, IBDP past paper questions, IGCSE past paper questions. If you like and enjoy mathematics, or you're getting ready for your exam, just come to EK Math Academy. You are going to enjoy mathematics. Thank you very much. Stay safe and stay blessed. Okay.